Hey, good morning, Emily.
Morning, Kurt.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good. You ready for this call?
I'm ready to do it.
Fantastic. Hey, Charles.
Hi, Charles.
Good morning, Kurt. Hey, what's up?
We're just waiting for a few more people, and then we're going to get the meeting started.
Okay, Kurt, sounds good.
Good morning, Kurt. I've got my part of the presentation done and I'm ready to go.
All right, it looks like we're ready to go ahead and call Ellen. Showtime.
Oh, Kurt, I don't think that Ellen at LCS has Link.
No problem. We can connect with him too. Let's get set. This is a huge call with LCS Medical. Need everybody to be on their A game. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Good morning, Ellen. It's good to see you again.
Good morning, Kurt. Hi, everyone. Let's get started.